Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial from Bastanje developers. And in today's video we'll continue learning about the awesome Leaflet.js and creating maps. Now in previous videos we learned how to add the markers, circles and so on. Now how about if, let's say, I want to go and maybe I am interested in this geographical areas, maybe this 43. I want to know the location. So we can do that by clicking on this location. We can get the coordinates. And to do that, we need to create a function. So first of all, let me delete this. We don't need this. And yeah, that's it. Now let's create a function, and the function will be named, you can name it anything you want, on map click, and inside here we will pass E for event, and now we just will say console dot log e dot lat lng. Now this is a built-in to Leaflet, so we call it, and this will give us the coordinates of the specified area where we click. Now we need to bind this method to Leaflet, so we will say map dot on, and inside here the method name is click. Well, what's on the click going to happen? We will copy this method, and basically that's it. Save it and wait for it to save. My PC is running slow because if you can see here, I am running some heavy calculations on my PC. Don't worry about that. I will refresh. Now I click, nothing is happening, but if I Control Shift I and I'm here in the console, click anywhere, you will get latitude and longitude. So you can see that. We can make this even better by saying that instead of this, just create alert, and inside alert we'll have latitude and longitude. So side here, copy or get this and delete this. We don't need it. So save. Now go back here, close this, we don't need it anymore. Reload, click, and this page says that latitude and longitude is this value. So how awesome is that? And basically that's it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.